Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayri, also known as Wedding Fashion Expert. This week's topic was inspired by a subscriber asking how to make sure same-sex couples' wedding dresses or attire match and complement each other beautifully. Before we dive into this topic, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know if there's any particular videos or topics you'd like me to create. I am here for you, guiding you along the way leading up to your special day. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I am so honored that you have found me. I am, of course, a wedding fashion expert, bridal stylist, buyer, and wear so many different hats at LOVELLA Bridal. I am truly and utterly obsessed with what I do for a living. Styling women in the most important article of clothing they will ever wear is just the best thing ever. This week's topic was inspired by a subscriber. Sarah wrote in asking, I was wondering if you had any tips about same-sex weddings and how to make sure the two dresses complement each other but don't look the same. At LOVELLA Bridal, I've had the privilege of styling many same-sex couples, and each couple does it a little differently. Sometimes I have the couple come in together and they select the wedding dress or both wedding dresses, or perhaps a dress and a jumpsuit or dress and a tuxedo. We do have designers that custom make tuxedos, so we've done that in the past just to make sure the colors match. But then I also have couples that don't want the same experience. They want different styles and different looks for wedding day, and they want to surprise their fiance with it, which I absolutely honor and respect. So if you are not a couple that wants to try on together and make sure things are complementing each other and you want to do it separately, I would perhaps recommend that the stylist discuss with each other. So if there's two different stores or two different locations that you're going to, you could have your stylist that's representing and helping you dress your look for your day contact each other to make sure colors and scheme and everything like that is matching. Or what I would recommend is appointing a friend that's mutual to both of you that can kind of help bridge the styling and the color and the design components to match. However, I also think it's really cool for couples to do their own thing, and it's okay if it's not a perfect match. Another thing to consider is that it's very difficult to have a perfect match on colors, especially if it's two manufacturers or two different types of fabric. So when you're looking at the colors of white, or if you're doing other colors like a blush pink or a nude or a champagne, these are all very similar colors in terms of like the family, in terms of the matching, right? So I don't think that you have to get so fixated on it being a perfect match. I think that it's great if you just do what makes you feel beautiful and your partner does what makes them feel beautiful, and everybody gets to show up that day and zip up or button up whatever direction you're going and really just feel amazing to marry your person in. That's what's most important in my eyes. I also am a firm believer in not having too many fashion rules. Fashion is an art form. You can play with it. It doesn't need to be a perfect match. The colors don't need to align beautifully. There are so many options for you to consider when it comes to this. But if you're really, really concerned about it matching, I think the safest way to go is for both of you to shop the same store. You could also shop the same store and come in at different times and have the same stylist help you. But again, no rules. I think that you can do whatever you want, and I think the most important thing to consider here is that each person feels absolutely beautiful and confident and excited to marry their person in. And so whatever that is, and if it doesn't match beautifully, I think there is an art form and a beauty in that, and it not being a great match and kind of being offset. Doesn't bother me. And if you have any additional questions, please be sure to drop me a line below and I am happy to answer them for you. I hope that you found this video helpful. For more videos and tips like this, please be sure to tune in every Wednesday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.